Welcome to the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Please enjoy the episode.
Hello and welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. In this part, we're going to boost the saturation to brighten things up, make it a little bit more dynamic using the CurvesTransformation process. We're just going to make sure our window is active. We're going to come over here to our CurvesTransformation process. We reset this. Our line is straight, and I believe when we first open it up, I believe it's an RGB. We want to make sure we're over here on the saturation option, and we can do several things where we can just drag and drop, but it's not doing anything. So what we have to do is, let's reset it. We have to open up a preview window. And then things will start to change. So we can really blow it out, make it black and white, which at that point, why don't we just work with the luminance, right? We can add multiple points on the line, only boost a certain area, or tone it back. So if I wanted more of those shadows to peek through, this is all in your taste and what you want to do. But what I like and what I'm going to go with is just these 2 points. I think I might pull it back in just a little bit. There we go. Yeah, I like that. So if we pull this over, undo, redo, brings out more of that reddish, purplish color. Yeah. So we'll close out our preview window. We'll drag it, we'll drop it. And that looks pretty good. So that's it for this part. So I'm going to say thanks everybody for watching. Hope you found it informative. As always, clear skies and have a good one.
Thank you for watching yet another video from the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Really appreciate your viewership. In our upper right, we have the latest video we've uploaded. In our lower right, we have what YouTube might think you would enjoy. And in the lower left is our subscription button. Please like this video, subscribe if you so choose. As always, clear skies, have a good one, and remember Duke.